How do I add family members with different addresses to my Spotify family plan?
Hey there, music lovers! Welcome to this video tutorial on how to add family members with different addresses to your Spotify family plan. If you want to share the joy of music with your loved ones, even if they live at different locations, you've come to the right place. Let's get started.
Inviting family members.
The first step is to invite your family members to join your Spotify family plan. Here's what you need to do. 1. Open the Spotify app on your device or visit the Spotify website. 2. Go to your account settings. On the mobile app, tap on Home in the bottom navigation bar, then tap on the gear icon, Settings. On the website, click on your profile name in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. 3. Scroll down and find the Premium section. Under that, locate the Family option and click on it. 4. Select Add Family Member or a similar option to begin the process of inviting your family members.
Sending invitations.
Now that you're in the process of adding family members, it's time to send them invitations. Follow these steps. 1. Enter the email address or username of the family member you want to invite. Make sure you have the correct email address associated with their Spotify account. 2. Once you've entered the email address, click on the Send Invitation or similar button to send the invite. 3. Repeat the process for each family member you want to add to your Spotify family plan.
Accepting invitations.
After sending the invitations, your family members will receive an email with instructions on how to accept the invitation and join the Spotify family plan. Here's what they need to do. 1. Check their email inbox for the invitation from Spotify. 2. Open the email and click on the Accept Invitation or similar button provided. 3. Sign in to their Spotify account or create a new account if they don't have one already. 4. Follow the prompts to confirm their address and complete the process of joining the family plan.
Verifying addresses.
To ensure that each family member is at a different address, Spotify may occasionally request address verification. Here's what you and your family members need to know. 1. Spotify may ask for verification by sending a verification code to the address provided during the sign-up process. 2. Each family member will need to enter the verification code they receive to confirm their address. 3. Remember to check your email regularly to ensure you don't miss any verification requests from Spotify. And that's it. You now know how to add family members with different addresses to your Spotify family plan. It's a fantastic way to enjoy music together, no matter where your loved ones are located. So go ahead and share the gift of music with your family. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.